Guys, welcome back to Bear Hobbies. I hope you enjoyed the build of the little IS-2, the 172 scale kit from Zvezda. We're going to move on to something different. I've got a 1945 got Dameron t-shirt on, and I've got a stack of Panthers behind me, so you know what it's going to be. No, you don't, okay? I want community involvement right from the start of my channel, so what I'm proposing is this. Small vote. I've only got 50 subscribers at the moment, and I really appreciate that. So I want to thank you for signing on to the channel. These things have been selling really quickly from the shop at the moment, and I'm tempted to do one because it's a brand new kit. But true to my sort of my background is really modern armour, and I love modern armour. But I do want to choose a TAKOM kit as the next build, and I want to go through it right from start to finish with you guys. But which one's it going to be? I want you to put a vote out for either. If you want me to build a Panther, I will do it. But I'll tell you also what my choice would be. It's this. It's the Merkava, which isn't their latest kit. They brought out a Mark II-B as well, which is their later one. But this would be my choice. So I just want you to cast your vote up. Tell me your opinions on which one you'd like to see built from start to finish. So that'll be a full review, the building of the kit, the painting and the weathering. Okay, so hope you cast your votes. Tell me what you think, and we'll choose one real soon.